Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a DIY on how to make a small simple pouch to put on your sanitary towels, put on your phone handkerchief when you're going out. And yes, I'm just going to be using this small fabric that I have right here to make that pouch. And as you can see, I'm just trying to just sketch out how this pouch will just look like. I really had no idea, but I was just thinking to make something with this fabric. But yeah, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, you guys go ahead and subscribe, like this video, turn on that notification bell to be notified anytime I post. So I'm going to be taking these scissors and cutting that fabric into a half, just like that. I'm now going to go ahead and even out the parts to be just a simple rectangle or square, whichever that will come out of this fabric. Yes, that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to be cutting it evenly and straight, just as you can see on the video. So once I'm done evening out everything, this is the fabric that I got now, and that's how it just looks. So let's go to the machine and do the thing. So now I'm just going to be starting with one side to put the zipper first. So I want this golden is it gold, silverish color to be my top, and the bluish color to be the inside. So I'm just going to be sewing this zipper down, and yes, see you right back once I'm done. So as you can see, my one sided part is done, and the zipper is now locked up, and that's how it all looks. Now I'm just going to go on the other side and put the zipper as well. So folding it on the right side and sewing it slowly when the right side is up, just like that. So at this point, you guys, I'm just really shaking a lot, but it's just only because I'm not using my tripod, so I'm just sewing it as I hold my camera. So I think you get it. I hope you get it. Anyway, keep on watching, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Please leave a comment. Okay, I love you so much. Let's keep watching. Once I'm done sewing the two-sided part of the zipper, this is how it looks from the inside, and now I'm just going to be turning it around so that you can see from the right side how it all looks. And there you go, that's how it all looks from the outer side. Now the front side that I'm just going to be using as my out side part. That's how the zip part looks like, very neatly sewed in. And now I'm going to be sewing down the sides of the pouch, and yes, so this is one side that I've sewed in, and now I'm just going to be sewing down the other part. Once I'm done, this is how it all looks. And now I'm just going to be turning it all around for you guys to see the outer part, how it all looks. So that's how it looks, and now I want my pouch to just not have the sharp ends. So that's how it looks at the zip. Wow, so pretty and neat. You can just decide to leave it like this, but for me, I wanted the two sides to be not that sharp, so I'm just going to be turning it around and sewing it down for it to just have a base, you know, the down part to not have that sharp end. So that's just how you sew it, and the other side as well, just like that. And now I'm just going to be turning it around for you guys to see how it all looks. You guys, can you see? That's what I meant by having a base, you know, so at least it can stand by itself. Now I just didn't want this bag to be just that plain. I wanted it to have a handle and something where I can hold. So I'm just going to be taking that fabric, sewed it, and now at least I had undone that part. Now I'm just going to be putting the fabric just inside and now sewing it down to just have a handle. Now I'm going to be just sewing down right there. Once it's done, I'm going to be turning it all around. Can you see? It's now locked up, so I'm just going to be turning it around for you guys to see. That's how it all looks, and my bag is done. You guys, my bag is done. Let me go clean it up, set it up, and for you guys to see the final look. And ta-da! You guys, this is the final look. I really love it how it all looks. Please remember to share, subscribe, and follow me if you haven't on my social media, on Instagram at Victoria_Maingi. And I really appreciate. Thank you so much for watching till here. I love you so much, guys. Wow, it all looks so beautiful. I love my work, you know. That's how it all looks. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.